Hi, I'm Eric Mitchell, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Sedan Joiner Realtors. This is 15 Craven Street in downtown Greenville. Step inside and you'll find an open, airy layout with spacious living room, natural light pouring through the bay window, and a stylish kitchen with white shaker cabinetry, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and a breakfast area that makes everyday living easy. One of the things I love about this home is how functional the layout is. You get two comfortable secondary bedrooms that can flex for guests, family, or even a home office. And the hall bath has been beautifully updated with timeless tile finishes. Clean, fresh, and move-in ready. Throughout the home, the finishes feel cohesive and thoughtfully done, giving it that modern feel buyers are looking for today. The primary suite is a great retreat, with its own updated bath and the same quality finishes you see throughout the home. It feels private, comfortable, and ready for its next owner to enjoy. This is the kind of location where you can bike to dinner, catch a drive game, spend the afternoon on the Swamp Rabbit Trail, and be home in minutes. For buyers looking for an affordable way to be in one of Greenville's most exciting areas, this is a lifestyle opportunity as much as it is a home. But what really makes 15 Craven special is what's outside your front door. You're walkable to Unity Park, Mayberry Park, Pickle Park for pickleball, food, and fun. The Commons is nearby for coffee, dining, and community. Fluor Field and Greenville's West End are just minutes away, and downtown Greenville is practically at your doorstep. Call, text, or email. I promise I won't leave you hanging.